it's one of the very unique initiatives at Informa Markets in India that we are doing, something very collaborative and so much to cross learn across this 2 days of marketing meet. I would say I think I'm very happy that we are doing this and second year in a row. And this Excellence Award also is a great initiative. We did it for the first time, or in a very challenging year 2020. Our marketeers had performed superbly well in the challenging circumstances. So we really had to recognize these performances. So it was a great initiative. When you do this kind of meet, I think there's so much sharing of ideas and insights and something new which comes out of it. I think a lot of solution-driven aspects were discussed. So I think this will only help grow the business.
It was important for us to look at and prepare ourselves toward the paradigm shift for the marketing, keeping in mind the customer current need as well as the latent need. And the second reason was to recognize the young marketeers who have been always ready for the challenge and those who have won things in style. So it was very important that we do these things for our teams. The topics or the session which were related to the advancement in marketing, the customer insights, the martech, and also the digitech were very well received by the team. Keeping in mind the next things will be the applications of the same.
It was indeed a pleasure to address the Informa Markets marketing team the other day at the seminar that you conducted. It was really nice to interact with such an engaged audience, albeit online. Hopefully, sometime in the future, we will have the occasion to meet, collaborate, cooperate, and share further learning.
My entire interaction with the panelists was scintillating a conversation. It's interesting to know how different sectors or product categories respond to the exhibition environment, be it online or be it hybrid or be it purely physical.
I'm really delighted to be a part of the Informa Markets in India, the Marketing Meet initiative, wherein I could speak a little bit along with experts from industry across the lines who really deliberated the changing marketing dynamics, and they comprehend the current challenges and they provide solutions based on their expertise and experience. And the insights provided by various people were really, really useful.
It was indeed a great virtual experience being part of such a forum with such a diverse range of marketing topics being discussed. What was also great to see was a rich pool of external speakers who participated at the meet and shared their knowledge on critical business, which is very relevant to us. For me personally as well, it was a truly enriching experience listening to various discussions, contributing as a speaker, and sharing my knowledge with the budding marketeers of the future.
I think the quality of topics which was brought for the discussion was extremely engaging and enriching. I really liked the deliberations, and I think overall, if we look at the program, not only the depth, but even the width of the topics which was chosen was absolutely marvelous. Culmination of the entire program with the award ceremony was like a cherry on the cake. Overall, the team has done a fantastic job, and I would like to say that we'd like to see more such programs coming in future.
It was very thoughtful to include speakers from the industry verticals where we specialize, hear from them, their expectations from platforms like us, which I'm sure would help our marketing team to prepare better as they plan for the future events. Also wonderful to include marketing awards and giving special recognition to team members on the exemplary work done by them.
The program was well curated and covered many facets of marketing. Importantly, I know they were aligned to a business, be it going digital or use of technology. I think we talked about community building and being customer centric. Fantastic discussions. What also made it very interesting were the external speakers from varied industries and sharing their thought leadership on a practical level. I learned quite a bit, and I'm sure the marketing team also greatly benefited out of these interactive sessions.
Both the days were very insightful. The speaker lineup was great, and the takeaways from all the sessions have helped us so much, and we will be implementing so many things from those. Quality of speakers was so amazing, and I would request for next year also, if we can get such panelists who inspire us and give us new insights and new learnings from the industry, which will help us grow as well.
I got to learn from the industry stalwarts and the leaders in regards to topics such as social listening and brand auditing as well, which I think would turn the face of the future in for the businesses like us.
Topic was very apt considering the current scenario and digital boom. Whatever learnings that I've gathered over these 2 days of training will definitely help me to be a better marketer.
I found that the team was enthusiastic. I found that the participants have done a lot of work, and particularly I want to place on record this was the most difficult year for the company, for the organization. And in that, if these two participants have done so much, I really, really appreciate. I hope and wish the participants all the success and all the very best.
This entire experience of being a jury member and going through these wonderful presentations done by your immensely talented team across so many categories, and the kind of work which has been done was amazing. I mean, the experience of listening to them, discussing with them, talking to them about their nominations and their entire work itself was a great learning experience.
I won an award for Best Buyer and Business Development category. So for next year, we are hoping and praying that everything will become normal, and we will continue to our physical events and awards.
I'm happy to receive award for the winner for the Best Visual Design at Marketing Excellence Award of Posh India Virtual Expo.
I would like to thank the entire MCOE and Navjeet for organizing this year's marketing meet and the first ever Marketing Excellence Awards. It was an amazing experience, and obviously getting recognized for all the efforts made in 2020. I feel really, really honored.